this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your picture on the Photoleap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. After that, go to the start creating section and click on the edit photo button. Then select a picture, then slide to the right side of the screen on the at the bottom of the screen until you find the filters section and tap on it. Here, as you can see, you have a bunch of filters that you can apply to your picture. The ones that are only available to premium users are indicated with this star icon, but still you have a vast variety of filters that you can choose from. If you have found the one that suits your preferences and you would like to apply to your picture, just simply click on it, and you can use this scale to adjust it to your picture, and you can try out many of them. If you tap on the if you have applied your filter and tap on the three dots icon down below, you can select its grain, the fade and the intensity by using this scale down below, as you can see. If you are satisfied with the result, all you have to do is clicking on the check mark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen, thereby saving the changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.